hoping to start a new vlog here, and I'm hoping that it's going to be an exciting one. So come along. So we are on our way to this festival of trees. It's a Christmas event, like a Christmas holiday event at this museum. Hello, what's the name of that museum again? Yeah, Western Development Museum. So we are hoping to really have a good time there. I'm looking forward to see what that is all about. So I have here King Eric and Queen Ella. Say hello. Hi. It's dark at the back there. So see you guys later. I hope I'm able to, carry everyone along and just to see the beauty of the season decorated on trees, right? Catch you guys later. So we are making a quick stop to pick my husband up so that we can all go together as a family. Eric wrong.
What?
So
11?
we're about a minute away from there. Took my husband and now we are on our way there. The program ends at 9 and this is 4:51, so we are hoping to still catch up some few exciting moments there. We are still about 11 minutes away. There's a bit of traffic. Catch you later. There's a parking lot here. Let's not miss it.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Pass close. How close to?
Well, let's go now. Maybe there's a place in front.
I don't want to walk too much when I come.
But I'm not sure if there will be a place in front.
I don't want to carry jackets.
See one spot, sir. I think you better park here because we don't know if there's going to be another spot.
Okay. Yes.
But I'm not sure if it's going to be cold inside or not. Eric is even still okay. So I next it. Ella, go and wear your jackets. Go and wear your jackets, Queen Ella.
Close the door properly now.
Let's have it. Have you locked the car, babe?
Cold. Is this cold
So
to you guys?
we all got stamped to enter. Everyone got stamped. Eric, Ella, where's your stamp?
So this place is actually covered, so it's not cold.
Okay, it's not cold inside. It's warm inside.
Told you guys.
Yeah, I told you guys.
Why is everybody not there? Everybody's not carrying that.
I don't know. Maybe everybody felt that it should be cold inside. Just as the way we feel that it should be cold inside. Where would you put it? You better wear your jacket. Where you want to put that? Unless you take it back to the car. Or you open it up.
Who is in there looking for? See this one, check.
Hello,
Santa.
Kilo shele with yafu.
Thanks, sense in the head. Last time I came to bring
Eh. So lovely.
Just click on that picture.
Eric.
This one is supposed to capture it from the top.
There's one that is moving there. Take over there. How are you looking for? That put that. It's dark, kind of.
This is very beautiful.
What time is Santa coming? 6. Okay. Santa is coming by 6, guys. I guess she has lost this teeth.
This life, have money and take care of yourself.
Ella, move, go there.
Let's go to that place. I'll to the train. No.
Train? Yeah, go there now, video you. There is a whole lot here. There is a whole lot. It's breathtaking. It's so alluring, so enchanting, so beautiful. There's just so much. So Santa is coming at 6. We'll be seeing the live, real Santa. So we're just chilling, looking around, taking it all in. Yeah, it's beautiful. It is. So it's a yearly event, right? And so today is the festival of trees. That's why you see a lot of Christmas trees everywhere, beautifully decorated. I'm trying as much as possible to film, show as much as I can, and I hope everyone is enjoying it. Thank you for coming along with me on this enchanting journey. Remember taking the picture.
Let's go me. I mean, when I come before, being in Canada. We'll check you, sir. Most job. Don't want it. So we are waiting to see Santa. Take pictures with Santa.
Santa, hi.
So, it was this idea of this.
The other one is green and red.
Nope.
Hello, how y'all doing? So it's another day, actually. I think it's the second or third day since the last time we spoke. Since the last time we went to this festival of trees. I'm supposed to go out today. I'm just volunteering in my daughter's school. They're having a skating event. So they want parents to help with tying skates and all that. But the weather is not friendly at all. So I'm not sure if volunteering for this event is that serious enough for me to drive in this situation, in this condition. As you can see, that's the snow falling heavily. You just see the wind blowing. Okay, so I've decided to do a rain check on that one. I'll be going, so I'll make puff puff for my kids. I'm sure if my daughter comes back and see a bowl of puff puff with ice cream, she will say, "Mommy, thank you, even though you did not show up, but at least you made up for it." Does that make sense? It makes sense to me. So I think I'll get on with the puff puff I want to make and do other things within the house after. Like I said, it's a busy weekend for me. Tomorrow they have a birthday party I need to drive them to as well. So it's a whole lot already. I'll just get on with the puff puff I want to make and then I'll talk to you later. Buns, flour, baking powder. So I'm just checking the oil to see if it's ready. You don't want it to be too hot and of course not too warm, just perfect temperature. That's all. Yummy. To have a taste of what this again. Very good.